Radiator we go. Hang on. Where's the 2 bolts for the AC lines? There's one on the side over here. Put this one on first. This one right here. Specific kind of bolts. Yes, those are those. Number 10 here.
Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, get to that now.
Boom. The front one we can get to, but I'll do the front one after we put these brackets on so it stays up.
I would always put those before they were slacks in here.
Oh.
Is that that one? No.
Oh, crap. Other way. This is the bottom. Like that. There's a 12 that sits right here. Yeah, the 12 volt. Give me that. Give me the bracket. Yeah, I'll be fine. It ain't going nowhere. It's a 12. It's 2 little shiny looking 12s.
Yep.
Voila.
Okay, look at the fans.
Oh, we'll do the fans when we get to the bottom. Where's the other 10 we had? There it is. For the air conditioning. AC lines in. Those are in. This line's a little tweaked. We're gonna tweak it back. Make sure it's not rubbing on nothing.
There's a shot that'll go on easy.
Surprisingly. There. Boom. Oh, this is already.
No bottom hole.
Boom.
The bottom hole's not good.
That's in. I checked the hose around here because usually when this thing got hit, you're going to check all these hoses here. It looks good. And believe it or not, that thing, there's probably no oil in the motor. Look at that. Cross our fingers, we haven't started this car yet, so.
Oh, you haven't? Oh, God.
Okay.
Went too high.
Plug the fan in. Do not forget to not plug these fans in. You will blow your motor up. And then you call,
Yeah.
and we'll sell you a new motor then.
Yeah, just for one other thing. Just enough, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the right one.
That'll work.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's good.
Oh yeah, way happier. I can get this from this side. Boom.
It's not good enough.
Boom.
It's not too far enough.
That's not
Go just right there.
right there.
Yeah.
All right.
Plugged in.
Yeah, we're in. The two sensors are in. The fan, this, that.
Bottom
This is
plastic.
all. Yeah, now put that plastic piece on.